Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to change your Facebook country location on a laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, let's understand why your country location matters on Facebook. It can affect your news feed, advertisements, and even your search results. To start, we'll need to access the settings. Log into your Facebook account and look for the settings option at the top right corner. Once in settings, scroll down to the language and region section. This is where the magic happens. Now, follow these steps to change your country. Click on the option to edit your current country setting and select your desired location from the drop-down. After making the changes, it's important to verify them. Refresh your page and check if your news feed reflects the new country location. If you run into issues, try logging out and back in. Clear your cache if the changes aren't reflected immediately. And that's it. Changing your Facebook country location is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.